already discussed several topics in mobile computing. That means various techniques and various advanced topics we cover. In this session, you can ask questions regarding mobile computing or regarding networks. If any one person can ask the question, another one try to answer the question. Okay? If there is inconvenience, I will help you. Okay? Is there any questions, please?
Which mobile OS is developed by Apple?
Android. Okay, fine. We already know Android is the basic operating system for mobile computing. So Android is the correct answer. While we are conducting this kind of session, you can have a depth knowledge and you can have multiple number of MCQ number question answers. For that only I am going to conduct like this. Okay. Is there any other questions, please?
Which OS mobile is developed by Apple?
If anybody knows.
iOS.
iOS. Yeah, it's an operating system based OS. So this will help for identifying various communications and transmitting those communications with a good speed. Okay. Is there any other questions? GSM. Yes, of course. GSM is a very popular mobile network which is specially used for mobile computing. That means if you are transmitting a data between different mobile devices, that means for example, that is especially for mobile applications, that is in wireless communication, the familiar network as a GSM network. So GSM is the correct answer. Is there any other?
How many types of security service provided in GSM?
3. Yes, correct. In wireless communication, security is the biggest question. That means we have to face a lot of issues in security related transactions. So we are providing 3 types of security for transmitting a data through wireless. The answer is 3 is correct one.
4G communication supports the data rates of 1024 Mbps.
Yeah, it's the maximum speed which is supported by 4G communication in mobile computing. Is there any questions?
In a different system, the client sends the request and the server provides service.
Yeah, it's basic one. It is as used in distributed computing also. The same procedure can be followed. That is, the client will send the request, the server will process the request and send the provide the service or response. So this is occupied in the distributed system as well as client server architecture. So the answer is service or response. Both are correct. Is there any other questions? In this, among these questions, GSM is a very familiar and very important topic because it helps to communicate from fixed landline to the mobile devices. For example, I am transmitting a data through my landline to my receiver. The receiver which uses the mobile device, that is a wireless device. For that, how these data will be transferred. Basically, the landline calls are located, that is forwarded to PSTN, public switching telephone network. From PSTN, it will again carried out to nearest mobile entities, GSM entities. That we call it as a GSM controller, and that it has 2 types of history levels, that is HLR and VHR. HLR which helps to deal with the history of location register. That means what is the status of receiver, whether the phone is on or off, or the dial number is correct or not. Likewise, we have to check the status of the receiver. We can use HLR entity, that is an interface. Likewise, VLR, it also supports for data transmission using mobile devices or wireless communication. After that only, the data will be forwarded to nearest mobile network, that is nothing but about GSM network. From GSM network, it will be again traversed to the receiver area. So this is the via we can transmit the data from mobile, that is landline, to the mobile device. Okay, it is a simple one. For basically, it's a simple one. For transmitting a data, we need several background supports and background interfaces the plus element